In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Smartsheet. If you're working on a project and need teammates, stakeholders, or clients to view or contribute to your sheet, adding collaborators is the quickest way to get everyone aligned. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll share a few practical tips to help you choose the right permission level for each person. First, open the Smartsheet you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct sheet, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is your central place for controlling who has access. From here, select Sheet to focus on sharing just this specific sheet rather than anything else in your workspace. When you do, a small menu opens. This is where you'll add collaborators and set what they can do. In the field provided, start adding people by typing a name, an email address, or selecting a group. Using groups can save time if you regularly share with the same team, but adding individuals works great for one-off access. Take a moment to double-check spellings so invitations go to the right people and no one is accidentally left out. On the right side of each person you add, you'll see a permissions drop-down. This is where you decide their level of access. Set them as an admin if they need full control, such as managing sharing, structure, and advanced settings. Choose editor if they need to make changes to data, update rows, and contribute to the content of the sheet. Pick commenter if their role is to provide feedback without changing the underlying data, and use viewer when someone only needs to look at the information without the ability to modify anything. A helpful rule of thumb is to grant the least amount of access needed for someone to do their job, then adjust later if necessary. After you've added everyone and selected the appropriate permissions, hit Share to confirm. That's it. Your collaborators now have the access you assigned, and they can jump in right away. If anything changes, you can return to the Share menu at any time to update roles or remove access. Keeping permissions current helps protect your data while keeping work moving smoothly. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to add collaborators in Smartsheet quickly and confidently.